Voice of the Repeater once again. As we were told that democracy happens to be the government of the people, by the people and for the people. But today we cannot say that democracy is no longer the government of the people. Rather, it's now the government against its own people. Now we can see the malnutrition in our children over there in Africa, and the death of our fellow brothers over there at the Mediterranean Sea, who has been taking this perilous journey to cross over here in Europe to seek for a better life or a place to call their home, simply because of corruption over there in Africa, which is so epidemic. It's as wide, as big as Atlantic Ocean, which the beginning and the end is not yet being discovered, my man. Africa has been blessed with all the natural resources you could ever think about, my man. But who is to be blamed? That is the topic of today from the Repeater. Or are we going to blame our parents, who thought by having so many children is the only thing that leads to greatness and success? Or are we going to blame our mothers, who always succumb into their request, who does not follow the rule and regulation of family planning? Now tell me, who is to be blamed? Or are we going to blame the Western world and America, who always go over there in Africa to obtain that resources and put that money into one person's pocket, which is the corrupt cycle of leadership? Now tell me, brother, who is to be blamed? Or are you going to blame the medians, the journalists and the activists who have been trying their best to bring out the truth from darkness for us to see? Now tell me, who is to be blamed? Or are you going to blame the innocent man, the Repeater, for speaking out the truth? Now tell me, who is to be blamed? Africa has been blessed with all the natural resources you could ever think about. We all know there is no government on earth that will totally put an end to poverty. But still, African government, they are not trying at all. But here I must say that whosoever that steals from the pocket of the poor, the cry of all those malnutrition children over there in Africa, and the death of the innocent brothers and sisters who has been perishing at the Mediterranean Sea, we never forgive them all at all. Wow. Try to restore your dignity by not giving up, so that you wouldn't be a defeatist under the so corrupt cycle of leadership over there in Africa. Yeah, we all know that leadership in Africa is a form of shipping lines from father to son, which is from generation to generation. That is it. The leadership in Africa, that is how it looks like. No wonder Nelson Mandela once said, to be a good leader, you have to be at the back and put your people in the front, so as to let them know that they confess before you as a leader. And a good leader is supposed to be somebody who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. That is it. My brothers and sisters, do not give up. Just keep moving on, and God must surely see you through one day. That's from the Repeater. And do not give up. Do not give up. And who is to be blamed happens to be the topic of this video. But your conscience will not tell you who is to be blamed. As from the Repeater, one love and God bless. Bye.